Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Life360 not working after phone update. So to fix this issue, you can start by re-logging to your Life360 account. Open your Life360 app and tap on settings, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down to logout, tap logout, and then immediately log back in to refresh system services. Now the next what you can do is go to your iPhone's settings, and you can directly search for general in your search bar. Once you go to general, scroll down to background app refresh and then find Life360 by scrolling down, and make sure that the background app refresh is turned on for Life360. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for Life360, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version of Life360. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.